Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews and recommendations. In today's video, we'll be taking a closer look at the USB Wi-Fi Adapter 1300 megabits per second, a versatile and high-performance wireless network adapter for your desktop, laptop, or PC. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our latest reviews. Now, let's explore the key features of this product. Equipped with a powerful chip and dual-band technology, this Wi-Fi dongle offers blazing fast speeds. Get up to 400 megabits per second on the 2.4 GHz band and an impressive 867 megabits per second on the 5 GHz band. Say goodbye to buffering and interruptions while surfing, online gaming, and streaming HD video. With USB 3.0, you'll experience lightning-fast data transfers of up to 4.8 gigabits per second. This adapter is also backward compatible with USB 2.0, making it a solid choice for older devices. Expect a faster and more stable wireless network connection. Compatible with various Windows operating systems, including Windows 8 October 11.1, 8/7 XP, Vista, as well as Mac OS 10.9 to 10.15. Installing this wireless adapter is a breeze. Plug it in, install the driver, and you're good to go. Use the Soft AP feature to create a hotspot when your computer is connected to a wired network, allowing more devices to connect. The latest WPA, WPA2, WEP security protocols ensure your network is secure and your information is protected. Dual 5 dBi high-gain antennas enhance reception and transmission signal strength. Enjoy extended Wi-Fi coverage and a more stable network connection. Now, let's discuss the benefits of using this USB Wi-Fi adapter. Seamless and lag-free online experience, ideal for streaming and online gaming. USB 3.0 connectivity ensures lightning-fast data transfer speeds. Wide compatibility with Windows and Mac operating systems. Easy installation process for hassle-free setup. Enhanced network security to protect your data. High-gain antennas for improved Wi-Fi coverage and stability. In conclusion, the USB Wi-Fi Adapter 1300 megabits per second from PHAVN offers a high-performance wireless solution for your desktop, laptop, or PC. With its impressive speed, wide compatibility, and ease of use, it's a valuable addition to your tech arsenal. If you're tired of slow and unreliable Wi-Fi connections, this adapter might be the solution you've been looking for. Don't miss out on the benefits of faster internet speeds and improved network stability. That wraps up our review of the USB Wi-Fi Adapter 1300 megabits per second. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, feel free to leave any questions or comments down below. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique, and we'll see you in the next review.